Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Sorry if you can hear the shower, my husband just got in the shower because he wants to sabotage me. Why is my mic so high? Anyways, today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm starting a new series. This is my second series and I'm starting this year because of dedication and stuff. This video is going to be the very first video in a Zodiac series. I'm going to be doing a Zodiac themed makeup look for each of the Zodiac signs. I'm going to try my hardest to do them at the time that the Zodiac is relevant. Does that make sense? I don't know if that made sense. For example, though, I'm going to be doing an Aquarius look in this video, and when I upload it, it's going to be the season of the Aquarius, according to the internet. So that's basically it. I'm going to be doing a makeup look based on the colors of an Aquarius. When you Google online, like Zodiac colors, things come up. And for Aquarius, it's like turquoise and blue and prettiness. So I'm going to be doing a turquoise colored makeup look based on the Zodiac Aquarius. I am not an Aquarius, but shout out to all of my Aquariuses and happy almost birthday, because your birthday is going to be in the coming days. Everybody, this is Jack Pup Velasquez. Jack Pup, say hello. He doesn't speak English, but this is Jack in case you haven't met Jack. If you like this idea and you're excited for this series, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of the other ones, so you don't miss out on your Zodiac if you are not an Aquarius. I'm very excited to do it. Oh. I don't know what I just said because Jack distracted me with his cuteness. Give me a comment down below and let me know what your Zodiac sign is and if you're excited to see your look, and if you have any suggestions for what you would like for your look. I would love to take that into consideration if you are a Zodiac person. And I think we should just go ahead and get into this video. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to hang out with me and Jack Pup Velasquez and see me do an Aquarius inspired makeup look, just keep on watching. So for this video, I'm actually going to be using the Zodiac palette, fitting, right, by ColourPop and Kathleen Lights. I don't know if I'm going to use this for every single one, but look at how pretty that is. I was like, I feel like I really want to touch into this shade. I know this is the Pisces, but that's like a turquoise shade that I think will be really, really, really pretty for this look. So that's what I'm going to do. And maybe I'll use a little bit of the Aquarius also because, you know, it's the Aquarius. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I kind of have an idea of what I want to do. Not like 100%, but like 80%. So let's go ahead and do it. I'm going to pull you in and pull you in. Of course, I forgot my mirror, so I'm just going to have to rock with this because I don't have time to find it. Because I have less than an hour to put on the side makeup. My intention for this look is for it to be simple to do, but impactful to look at. I'm gonna go in with the shade the Taurus here, and I'm gonna map out the shape I'm going for. What is that glitter on my forehead? Now I'm going to connect the outer corner and make kind of like a wing shape. Just like that. That's kind of the shape you should have going on. I'm gonna blend it a little bit better, but I just want to show you what I'm going for. Sorry if that was like really loud. Wow, I think I actually got those wings sort of even. That is not easy for me because my eyes are stupidly shaped and this one never blends, so. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade The Libra and kind of blend out that edge. This one has like a little sheen, so it'll also kind of highlight the brow bone. It's worth noting you don't need this palette to do this look. This is just the one that I'm using because it felt appropriate because of like the Zodiac theme and everything. And I feel like a lot of people have this because of how affordable it is. If it's still available, I'll link it down below in case you don't have it. But, you know, ColourPop shadows, if you've been here before, I love ColourPop shadows. And if you haven't been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and I love ColourPop eyeshadows. All right, so I'm going to do it just on the edge. Just kind of hit the edge and kiss it a bit. I don't want to blend it too much because I kind of want like a structured look for this, but a little bit so it's not harsh. All right, perfect. I think that's like all the crease work I'm going to do. I want to keep it really simple, but I want it to be like, bah, when you look at it. I'm now going to take the shade right here, to Pisces, and I'm going to put that all over the lid, also in a wing shape. So wish me luck, because I'm going to need it. I'm going to start with my finger because then I can get like the most pigment on the lid, and then I will use a brush to make the shape. So. So pretty. Sorry if you can see my mirror. I'm just trying to get really far in there because I already did my base like an idiot and I don't want this to fall over it. So this shade is so pretty. probably could have been made easier if I'd done a cut crease, but I just don't want that kind of heaviness on my eyes today. Okay, now let me get a brush. Just gonna put a little primer water to make it stick because I'm nervous about the fallout. I feel like with the finger, the oils in your finger give you a little more control so you don't get as much, but with just a brush, it's a little difficult. I never like to use a brush. Bye, Jack. So pretty. Yes. Now let me somehow make the other side match. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. What do you think of this so far?
Very cool actually.
Yeah, it's pretty. I like it a lot. I need to get all the blue glitter off my face though. Cause that shit is fucking everywhere, Jesus Christ. Okay, so now I went ahead and did a little more on the side to practice, and what I did, which I liked, was took a little bit of the Aquarius and went along the edges to deepen it. As you see, it looks a little deep, a little more defined. I'm gonna do that same thing over here. So I'm taking this little brush, this little pointy guy, and I'm going right along the edge between the Taurus and the Pisces. All right, now that I have both of the tops looking pretty much how I want them, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the fallout because let me tell you, there's some fallout. Maybe put on a wing and I will be right back for the lower lash line. All right, guys, so this is the tops of the eyes done. I think it looks beautiful and I'm very, very happy with how it came out. I am proud of myself. I'm proud that those wings are almost even. Can you even believe it? I cannot. So let's do the lower lash line and some lips and be on out of here real quick. I'm trying to make shorter videos because my engagement is not great. You guys only seem to like to watch like the first 5 minutes, which is rude. First off, I put a lot of work into this, so maybe watch it all, but you know, whatever, your choice. Okay, so I think for the lower lash line, it's going to be Aquarius heavy, and I want to put more of that because that shade is so pretty. And even though it's a cooler blue than the Pisces shade, I feel like it looks really nice with the Pisces. I have done another look with these shades together when I reviewed this palette, which if you haven't seen it, I'll link it up there. But I did like a halo with them. So pretty. So I'm going to take like this dense, my everyday lower lash line brush. Is this on? Oh my god, I freaked out. My everyday lower lash line brush, which if you've been here, you know I use this every single day. And I'm going to pack it on today here. This is literally like a $3 e.l.f. brush, and it's gotten so much use. So pretty. Man, I feel like this is a look where I should put black in the waterline, but fuck if I don't hate black in the waterline. Ugh. Do I have to? Oh, I feel like I need to. I feel like I need to. I feel like as much as I don't like it, it's gonna pull it together. I think it's gonna look better than nude. Fine. This is for all of you out there that like black in your in your fucking waterline, because I don't. But I'll do it. Even finding a black liner for me is a mission because I never use it. So weird. Is that weird to watch? Seems like it'd be weird to watch. Okay, I'm gonna bring it a little out because I hate how it looks just in there. It looks so unfinished. So I can smudge it into that Aquarius shade. Okay, I'm going back in with that same brush with the Aquarius on it and just blending out that black. I did it. I did it. If you've never been here before, you wouldn't know, but like I never ever do that because I feel like it looks weird and it makes my eyeballs look small, but I feel like it does pull this together, so whatever. Okay, now I'm gonna take my loose brush. I'm gonna hit Taurus right under the edge, and that should be it for the eyeshadow. Just to blend it and make it match the top. So pretty, my goodness. Okay, now I just need to put something on the inner corner. I don't know. Okay, I'm just gonna take, what is this again? Moony out of the Dream Street palette. And I'm just gonna put that on the inner corners. I think it'll be pretty. It always is, so. Perfect. Okay, that is beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lower lash mascara and some lips, and I will be right back to finish off this video. Alright guys, so this is the completed Aquarius inspired makeup look. What do you think? I think it looks so pretty. The only thing I would change is maybe make the lips glossy. But honestly, I love it. Also, something I would change is doing my eyes first, because there is, I don't know if you can tell, but there's blue glitter all over my face. So I'm going to not even do highlighter today because I'm covered in glitter. But besides that, I think this turned out so pretty. Let me know down below if you agree or if you would have done anything different for a Aquarius inspired look, but I hope you do enjoy it, especially if you're an Aquarius. I hope I didn't let you down. Of course, I would appreciate it so much if you liked, commented, and subscribed to my channel. I am relatively small, and it would be nice if I could be less small, because I love this, and this is something I really enjoy doing. It combines two of my absolute favorite things, which is, well, three: filming, editing, and makeup. So if you wouldn't mind doing those things, that would be super duper dope though. And I just want to thank you for spending your time with me on my channel. If you are still watching videos, you can watch these over here. These are links to videos I put up in the past. And if you click on my face right here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe so we can hang out all the time. Yeah, I guess that's going to be everything. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.